Hello, welcome to yet another video of Acharya Nidana Academy. In this particular video, we are going to discuss the concept of Kshina Gati of Abhyantara Hetu. Regarding the Kshina Gati, the word Kshina Gati refers to the decreased state of Abhyantara Hetu. When we say Kshina Gati of Abhyantara, Kshina refers to what? Literally, it refers to emaciation. But when you think about the contextual meaning, it has to be decreased state of Abhyantara Hetu. As already been mentioned in Madhukosha, Madhavanidana, Abhyantara Hetu refers to Dosha, Dushyascha. In the sense, the Dosha, Vata, Pitta, Kapha, and Dushya, 7 types of the Dhatu, Rasa, Rakta, Mamsa, Meda, Asthi, Majja, and Shukra, and 3 Mala, and that is Mutra, Purisha, and Sweda. They are considered to be Abhyantara Hetu. If the decreased state of these are observed in the body, they are considered to be Kshina Gati of the Abhyantara Hetu. It has been mentioned in the Charaka Samhita. Dosha pravruddha swam lingam darshayanti yathavala. Kshina jahati lingam swam samaha swam karma kurvate. Kshinaha jahati lingam swam. If the dosha are present in the Kshina stage, so that will be responsible for the decreased functioning of the particular dosha or the dhatu or mala. So the Charaka Samhita again says, Karmanaha prakritadhanihi vridhirvapi virodhinam. In the sense, whenever there is the Kshina stage of the Abhyantara Hetu, prakritadhanihi, so that will be responsible for the natural decrease of the functioning of that particular Abhyantara Hetu, that is Dosha, Dhatu or Mala. Whereas there may be a possibility of increase of the qualities or functioning of the substances which are having the opposite qualities of the particular dosha or the Abhyantara Hetu. For example, if the person is having the Kapha, so that means decreased functioning of the Kapha, so that will be responsible for the increase of the Vata dosha in the body, and that will exhibit the Lakshana or symptoms related to Vata dosha vitiation. So, regarding the examples of the dosha kshaya or the Kshina stage of the Abhyantara Hetu, that is being mentioned in the Ashtanga Hridaya, Sutrasthana 11th chapter, Doshadi Vijnaniya Adhyaya. As far as dosha are being concerned, Lingam Kshine Nilengasya Sadulpam Bhashiteham Samyamohasatashechma Vrudyuktamaya Sambhavaha Pitte Mando Vanalaha Shitam Prabhahani Kafe Pravaha Shleshmashayanam Shunyatvam Rudravah Shratasandita. In relation to Dhatu, रसेरोक्षम शमः शोषो ग्लानि शब्दा सहिष्णुता रक्ते अम्ल शिशिर प्रीति शिराशिथिले रुक्षताः मांसि अक्षग्लानिः गण्डः स्विष्विष्कता सन्धिवेदनाः मेधसि स्वपनं कट्याः प्रेक्ष्णो वृद्धिः कृशाङ्गता अस्न्यस्थितोदा सदनं दन्तकेशनकादिषु अस्तनां मज्जनि सौशीर्यं भ्रमस्तिमिरदर्शनं शुक्रे चिरात् प्रसिच्येत शुक्रं शोणितमेव वा तोदोत्यर्थं क्षणयोर्मेढ्रं धूमायतीव च. In terms of mala, पुरुषे वायुरन्त्राणि सशब्दो वेष्टयन्निव कुक्षौ भ्रमतियात्युध्वं हृत्पार्श्वे पीडयन् वृषं मूत्रे अल्पं मूत्रये कृच्छ्रा विवर्णं सहस्रमेव वा स्वेदे रोमच्युते स्तब्धरोमता स्फुटनं त्वचः. So this is about the description given in Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthana 11th chapter in terms of the Kshina Gati of the Abhyantara Hetu. Regarding the example, it is being mentioned Shleshma Shayanam Shunyatvam. It is being mentioned in the Kapha Kshaya. When you say about Shleshma Shayanam Shunyatvam, so let us say Amashaya is one type of Shleshmashaya, wherein the Kledaka Kapha will be located as per the Ayurveda fundamentals. If there is Kafakshaya, in the sense there may be a possibility of the Shaya of the Kapha in the Amashaya or the stomach that may be observed. Whenever there is decreased secretions of the mucus, what is the immediate, what will be the outcome then? There may be a possibility of the damage to the gastric mucosa. That means adequate secretions are not going to get happen in the stomach. In that particular sense, whatever the food we are going to consume, that is not going to have a proper conversion itself. So that means there may be a possibility of dysfunctioning of Samanavata. So that is in the Kafakshaya is leading to the increase of Vata dosha in the body. That too in the alimentary canal here. So to sum up, Kshina term, though it means emaciation, in this context it should be considered as decreased state of Abhyantara Hetu. That is decreased state of dosha, decreased state of dhatu, and decreased state of mala in the body. Less exposure to Bakhya Hetu are responsible for the decrease of these components in the body. Shleshma Shayanam Shunyatvam is the example that is being considered here. It can be even applied to the other Lakshana of Vata, Pitta and Kapha and other Dhatu and Malas also in terms of Shaya Lakshana. That's all for today. Dear ANA members, what are the major key takeaways from today's discussion? Mention in the comment box. And what is the one particular video that you would like to hear in this particular channel? Mention in the comment box. And if you are liking this particular video, then put a thumbs up and spread this particular video to the maximum number of true Ayurveda learners, so that we can make a huge movement out of this particular small message. That's all for today. Thank you.